Welcome to the Document Mechanics series, where you will learn how to engineer professional reports using Microsoft Word. These demonstrations are recorded on Windows 11 Pro desktop computer using the Microsoft 365 Office suite. In this series, I will be working in the full Microsoft Word desktop application. My name is William E. Schlosser. Students call me Dr. Bill. Document Mechanic tools are all embedded within Microsoft Word as a desktop application. You may also know Microsoft Word Online. This is not that version. Word Online functions more like Google Docs. It does not expose the full structural controls we will use in this course. For Document Mechanics, you must use the full desktop version of Microsoft Word. That version contains the complete styles architecture. We begin implementation by opening the Styles group. In a new empty document, go to the Home ribbon. Locate the group labeled Styles. Immediately, you see Normal, Heading 1, Heading 2. There are more. For now, focus on these. What Normal means. Normal is a default paragraph style. It applies to every sentence you write, every paragraph you construct, every block of analytical text. Styles apply to paragraphs, not to individual letters. This is important. You do not need to highlight text. Simply place your cursor anywhere inside of a paragraph. Click Normal. The entire paragraph adopts that style. Styles are paragraph-level structural commands. Suppose you create a section title. Type the title in its own line. Place your cursor in that line and click Heading 1. Immediately you will see a larger font, bold formatting. That is the default setting. After pressing Enter, Word automatically returns to normal for the next paragraph. This is how structure flows. Heading 1, normal paragraph text. Heading 1, normal paragraph text. Structure is automatic once the style is assigned. Now we refine the normal style. Place your cursor inside the normal paragraph. In the Styles group, right-click Normal. Select Modify. A configuration window opens. Here you can control the font, size, bold or italic, alignment. Be careful. When you modify normal, you're modifying every normal paragraph in the document. That is powerful and intentional. In the Modify window, look at the lower left corner. Click Format. A list appears. Font, paragraph, tabs, border, numbering, shortcut key, and more. Select Paragraph. You are now inside the structural engine of the document. Indents and spacing. You will see alignment. Left is standard. Indentation. Spacing before, spacing after, line spacing. Let us talk about spacing. If you are someone who presses Enter multiple times between paragraphs, stop doing that. Instead, set spacing after to a value you want. Press Enter once. The spacing is handled automatically. Structure replaces manual habits. You will see some line spacing options. Single, 1.5 lines. Double, at least. Exactly. Choose what your assignment requires. I often use 1.5 line spacing in analytical reports. Set it once in the style. It is enforced everywhere. Click OK. Now, every normal paragraph follows that rule. Return to Modify, Format, Paragraph. Select Line and Page Breaks tab. Here you see Widow-Orphan control. Keep lines together. Keep with Next. Page break before. Widow and Orphan control prevents single-stranded lines at the top or bottom of the page. Leave this checked. Keep with Next is useful for headings. It prevents the heading from being stranded at the bottom of the page. Page break before forces a paragraph to always start on a new page. These are professional layout controls. You do not need them every day, but you must know that they exist.